Hello everyone. Let's see how to replace the hard disk of an Acer Aspire V3 series. First of all, remove the battery. Okay. Remove the hard disk and RAM compartment door. Remove the compartment door. Just pull the hard disk holding the tag. Okay. Just unscrew the screws. Take your new hard disk, place it in this way. The label part should be on the top. Fasten the screws. If you want, you can replace with an SSD. Hard disks usually fail due to rough usage, that is, when the laptop is on and the laptop is still working, powered on, you just keep it moving from one table to another and banging it on the table. For the durability of hard disk, please don't do that. Fix it in, just insert it, push it inside the connector in this way. See that these two holes matches. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. We are done. While fixing the door, hold it in this way. Insert the battery.